Hello! In this video, I'll show you how to configure a term of use consent requirements during Academy registration. This feature adds a mandatory I agree to the term use checkbox to the registration page. Learners will not be able to complete their registration unless they provide their content. To configure these settings, go to Security Center section in your Academy settings and enable the corresponding button. Next, fill all required fields. In the text before link field, enter the text that will appear before the term of use link. In the link text field, specify the text that learners will see as a clickable link. Then, in the URL field, add the link to your terms of use page. This can be a page on your website or public accessible document. Then, click Add New Link. Once the settings are saved, a consent checkbox with a link to terms of use will appear on the registration page. Learners will only be able to complete their registration after confirming their agreement. I hope this helps and good luck with your Academy!